Good day everyone. Today, we will present our research on the effects of mobile games in students' learning at Pangalsur High School. Mobile games have become a significant part of students' daily lives, and our research aims to explore their impact on learning, both positive and negative. Allow me to read our statement of the problem. This study aims to examine the effects of mobile games, Mobile Legends, and Call of Duty in students' learning at Pangalsur High School. Especially, it seeks to answer the following question. Number 1. Demographic profile of the student. A. Name, optional. B. Age. C. Sex. D. Grade level. E. Mobile games played by student. F. Screen time spent on playing mobile games. Number 2. What are the negative effects of mobile games in students' learning? Number 3. What is the positive effects of mobile games in students' learning? Here is our survey questionnaire. Makikita natin dito kung ano ang nakalagay sa aming SOP ay siya ring nakalagay sa aming survey questionnaire. Sa aming survey, ang ginamit namin ay ang Likert term. Likert scale, 5. Strongly agree, 4. Agree, 3. Neutral, 2. Disagree, and 1. Strongly agree. Let's move to the negative effects of mobile games in our questionnaire. And let's move to the positive effects of mobile games in our questionnaire.
To better understand this, we conduct a survey among 100 students at Pangalsur High School. We gathered data on their gaming habits, including the mobile games they play, their screen time, and their opinions on how gaming affects their studies.
Through this research, aim to provide insight that can help student, teacher, and parents find balance between gaming and academic responsibility. Let's begin by discussing the survey result.
First, let's look at the demographic profile of our respondents. The survey included the students from different age, sex, and grade levels, mobile games played by the students, and screen time spent on playing mobile games.
The survey gathered responses from 100 students categorized into 4 age groups: 11 to 12 years old, 4% 13 to 15 years old, 36% 16 to 18 years old, 55%, and the 19 to 20 years old, 5%. To begin with, the majority of the respondents, 55%, fall within the 16 to 18 age group. Meanwhile, the second largest group consists of students aged 13 to 15 years old, 36%. In contrast, only a small percentage of students belong to the 19 to 20 age group, 5%. Lastly, the 11 to 12 years old, 4% group forms the smallest portion of the respondents.
Sex. The survey results show an equal distribution of male and female respondent with 50% male and 50% female.
Grade level. The majority of respondents, 35%, are in grade 11, making up the largest group in the survey. Meanwhile, grade 12 students count for 20% of the responses, showing a significant number of a senior high school student participating. In contrast, grade 10 students represent 15% of the respondents, making them a second smallest group. Lastly, lower grade levels, grade 7, 8, and 9, each make up only 10% of the total. Mobile games played by students.
The survey results show that Mobile Legends is the most popular game among students, with 82% of respondents playing it. Meanwhile, Call of Duty is played by 39% of students. These findings indicate that many students play multiple games, as the total percentage exceeds 100%, meaning some respondents engage in both Mobile Legends and Call of Duty.
Screen time is spent on playing Mobile Legends. The survey result showed that most students spend 33 minutes to 1 hour, 44% playing Mobile Legends daily, making it most common screen time. Meanwhile, 31% playing to 1 to 2 hours, indicating that significant number of students spend more than an hour's gaming. A smaller group, 13%, playing for 3 to 4 hours, while 6% speed to 5 to 6 hours. Gaming suggests suggesting that some students are highly engaged. Additionally, 2% report playing to 24 hours straight, which an extreme case and may be due to special situation. Segregation, lastly 1% recorded other playtime, such 13 hours to 5 hours to 5 minutes and 10 minutes over most students 25% playing between 33 minutes and 2 hours daily while smaller percentage spent excessive time gaming.
Now, let's talk about negative effects of mobile games on students' learning. Our research revealed that many students admitted experiencing negative impacts due to gaming. I have missed work because I played mobile games. The survey results show that students have different opinions on whether they have missed work due to playing mobile games. 29 students remain neutral, suggesting they are unsure or have not experienced significant effects. Meanwhile, 27 students agreed and 23 students strongly agreed, indicating that considerable number of students admit to missing work because of gaming. On the other hand, 12 students strongly disagreed and 9 students disagreed, meaning they do not have believe mobile games have caused them to miss work.
I have been told that I play mobile games too much. The survey results show different opinions on whether students have been told that they play mobile games too much. 35 students agreed, while 19 students strongly agreed, meaning a large number of respondents have received comments about excessive gaming. Meanwhile, 30 students remain neutral, suggesting they are unsure or have not experienced this often. On the other hand, 11 students disagreed and 5 students strongly disagreed, indicating that some students do not believe they play too much.
I spend a lot of time playing Mobile Legends. The survey results show different options on whether students spend a lot of time playing Mobile Legends games. 31 students remain neutrally, suggesting they are unsure or believe their gaming time on other to such no time title. Meanwhile, 28 students agree, 22 students strongly agree, and indicate that a significant number of students recognize that they spend a lot of time playing. On the other hand, 14 students disagree, 5 students strongly agree, mean they not consider their gaming time expensive.
Playing mobile games negatively affects my academic performance. The survey gathered different responses on whether playing mobile games negatively affects academic performance. 34 students agreed, while 18 students strongly agreed, showing that many believe gaming has a negative impact on their studies. Meanwhile, 19 students remained neutral, while an equal number disagreed, suggesting they do not think mobile games affect their academic performance. Lastly, 10 students strongly disagreed, meaning they believed gaming has no negative effects on their studies.
I'm addicted to mobile games in a negative way. The survey results show different opinions on whether students feel addicted to mobile games in a negative way. 28 students remain neutral, suggesting they are unsure or do not strongly feel addicted. Meanwhile, 25 students agreed and 17 students strongly agreed, meaning a significant number admit to experiencing negative effects from gaming addiction. On the other hand, 19 students disagreed and 11 students strongly disagreed, indicating they do not believe they are negatively addicted.
On the other hand, our research also highlights several positive effects of mobile gaming. Many students express that gaming helps them relax and reduce stress. Playing mobile games make me feel good. The survey results show that most students have positive feelings about playing mobile games. 36 students strongly agreed, when 34 students agreed, indicating that a large majority feel good when playing. Meanwhile, 21 students remain neutral, suggesting they are unsure or have mixed feelings about playing mobile games. On the other hand, 5 students disagreed, and 4 students strongly disagreed, meaning they do not find mobile games enjoyable.
Video games are important in my life. The survey results show mixed opinions on the importance of video games in students' lives. 38 students remain neutral, suggesting they neither consider video games essential or unimportant. Meanwhile, 32 students agreed and 18 students strongly agreed, meaning a significant number see video games as an important part of their lives. On the other hand, 9 students disagreed and 3 students strongly disagreed, indicating that a smaller group does not view video games as important.
One get a lot of friends because playing online games. The survey results show that many students believe playing online games help them make friends. 32 students agree, 29 students strongly agree, indicating that largest number friendship through gaming. Meanwhile, 29 students remain neutral, suggesting they ensure have experienced the significant impact their social life. On the other hand, 8 students disagree and 2 students strongly agree. Meanwhile, they do not feel that mobile games have helped them make friends.
I play online games as my spiritual sustenance in a time that I am lonely. The survey results show that some students turn to online mobile games for comfort when feeling lonely. 34 students agreed or strongly agreed, indicating that gaming serves as a source of emotional support for them. Meanwhile, 29 students remain neutral, suggesting they are unsure or do not strongly relate to this idea. On the other hand, 2 students strongly disagreed, and 1 student disagreed, meaning they do not see mobile games as a source of spiritual sustenance during loneliness.
I play mobile games to relax because of work pressure. The survey results show that many students play mobile games to relax from work pressure. 35 students strongly agreed, while 31 students agreed, indicating that a majority use gaming as a way to unwind. Meanwhile, 27 students remain neutral, suggesting they are unsure or do not always rely on gaming for relaxation. On the other hand, 5 students strongly disagreed and 2 students disagreed, meaning they do not find mobile games helpful in relieving work pressure.
In conclusion, our research found that mobile games have both positive and negative effects on student learning. While gaming provides relaxation and social benefits, excessive play can lead to academic struggles and addiction.
The key takeaway from our study is the importance of balance. Students should manage their gaming time wisely to ensure that it does not interfere with their academic responsibilities.
Teacher, parents, and school administration also play a crucial role guiding students toward responsibility game habits. By working together, we can ensure that mobile games remain a fun and beneficial activity without hurting student education.
Based on our findings, we recommend the following action to help students balance gaming and learning.
For students, it is important to set a daily limit on gaming time, prioritize schoolwork, and develop good time management skills.
For teacher, we suggest educating students on the effect excessive gaming and integrate educational game into learning strategies to make use of student interest.
Parents should monitor their children's gaming habits, encourage the open discussion about responsible gaming, and promote offline activities that enhance academic performance.
For school administrator, we recommend implementing programs that raise awareness about gaming impact on students and providing counseling or workshop to develop healthy gaming habits.
Lastly, for future researchers, we encourage further studies in the long-term effect of mobile games, social media influence, and psychology impact to gain deeper understanding of this topic.
That includes our presentation on the effects of mobile games in students' learning at Pangalsur High School. We hope this research provides valuable insight for students, educators, and parents.
Thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments, feel free to ask.
We appreciate your time and interest in our research. Have a great day. Thank you.